In this video, I'm gonna show you how to screen record on iPhone. So let's get started. First, we need to add screen recording to Control Center. To do that, open Settings app on iPhone. Now tap on Control Center. Scroll down and find Screen Recording option. Now tap on plus sign to add screen recording to Control Center. So now screen recording is added to available controls. Now swipe from right hand corner of the iPhone to access Control Center. Long press on screen recording icon and here you will find an option for microphone. Tap on microphone to enable sound capture while screen recording. This is optional and you can record iPhone screen with microphone turned off. Now tap on start recording and it will start capturing iPhone screen. Now whatever action that you take in iPhone, it will be captured. To stop the recording, you can either open Control Center again and tap the screen recording button, or you can tap the red status bar at the top of the screen and then confirm you want to stop recording. The recorded video will be saved to your Photos app where you can edit it and share it as you like. So that is how you can screen record on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.